Alright, give you guys a quick update on my vegetable garden. You can see some weeds I've been plucking a little bit, but I got parsley, oregano, I've been coming through de-weeding it here and there as much as I can. There's a bell pepper plant, and that's garlic. Another bell pepper plant that just came up. Over here, there's more garlic. There's a bunch of more pepper plants. Some more garlic. Some more pepper plants. You can see I pulled some of the weeds up. Another pepper plant. My bunch of onions. There's seedlings coming up in that right there. I think it's more hot peppers in that one. Box lettuce and some pepper plants that should be coming up in there somewhere. Whoa, watch yourself. This was where all my radish was. They're still coming up, but I planted more. I've already harvested quite a few of them. I don't know how that got there. That's like a cantaloupe plant. And my cantaloupes is way down there. I must have dropped a seed or something in it. Said, here I am. But there's a carrot right beside it. But if you can see, I got little baby carrots everywhere. There's little baby carrots. They finally came up. Well, I had to replant them. Those were onions out of my cupboard. If anybody could tell me, I know it's getting ready to flower. Like onions from the cupboard, or are they supposed to turn into bulb onions, or is it just the green onions you eat? I don't know. But that's cantaloupe right there. That's cantaloupe right there. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. That's cantaloupe. That one there is watermelon. Watermelon. Baby sweet watermelons. Watermelon. Watermelon. Another watermelon. They're all up down through there. And then on the other side I have Grimson sweet watermelon. There's watermelons. Another watermelon. Another watermelon. Another watermelon. Watermelon. Here's some more of those cantaloupes. These were bulb onion sets that I planted. And those there's just weeds that I tore up and just threw back down. But right here's my cucumbers. Well, those are cucumbers. And then over there's my green beans. Over there was my bagged potatoes. That I had in the cupboard that I just planted. And then that's right there's sweet corn. But I have all that cardboard down there because the grass was growing up like crazy through there. But that's my garden, my vegetable garden. I just wanted to give everybody an update. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay well medicated.